My name is Jake Daly, and today I'm going to be showing you all about demand planning software. Now, what is demand planning software? Well, essentially it deals with getting the right products in the right place at the right time. Demand planning software is going to allow any company with inventory to save thousands, if not millions, in savings across all of your products. Demand planning software is going to allow you to have visibility into what your demand is going to be so that you can know specifically what you're going to need to plan for and buy. If we look at this here, we can understand how this is going to connect with the data you already have to give you a step up above your competition and just have more visibility in general into knowing exactly what you need to know right off the bat. So specifically, looking at what your ERP system may be will connect one of 4 ways, and there will potentially be some more options depending on the situation, to make sure that we can get the data into the system that we need to effectively run a forecast on your history, know what you're going to sell, and then translate that into solid units. If we look at this process here, we can break this down into understanding right here. You have your ERP system. We'll look at what historical transactions you've made, whether this is something like point of sale history or shipment history, and then that information is going to get passed directly into our business forecasting module. This is where you'll be able to see not just by an individual SKU level, but by a category level, something like maybe product type or product line, or even a combination of those two, what you'll forecast for any given period, whether we're looking at weeks, months, or across the year. We can go 5 years out into the future to tell you specifically the amount of revenue, units, profit, or even cost you're going to be looking at according to each one of these products. Now, once you've had the opportunity to see what our proprietary algorithms have predicted, you'll be able to then have the opportunity to review this, know if you're going to be running a promotion on one of those items, make an adjustment to that, have a collaborative review with your team to decide, yep, okay, this is the forecast we're going to stick with. That will then be translated into what we call our supply planning module, where it's going to break this out into specific weekly buckets to say, this is our recommendation on what you should purchase, and you'll be able to have the visibility that you need to know this is how much I'm going to buy, this is how much I'm going to spend, accounting for all factors such as lead time, such as costs, such as increments, all factored in here to then supply back to your ERP system to make purchases that you can actually count on. Thank you.